One way to create atmosphere and light effects in watercolor is to first start with a loose background wash. Then take a thirsty brush and remove some of your pigment by making diagonal streaks upwards towards your light source. This will remove some of the paint and create the illusion of beams of light coming through a forest. Once your background wash has dried completely, then you can start painting your trees in the foreground. I use a pointed round brush so that I can get lots of detail in the branches and leaves.